Hey guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to cancel Spotify Premium on your phone. So you might have tried the free trial on Spotify Premium or just want to cancel your premium account. I'll show you how to do that in this video today. So first things first, go to Spotify. Once you're here, click on the settings icon in the top right corner. Once you click on that, it'll bring you to this page. You're going to want to click on account. Should be the second option down. Once you click on that, click on see premium plans. Once you click on that, it'll bring up this page and you're just going to want to pick a random one like premium individual. Once you click that, it'll bring you to the support Spotify page. Here, you're going to want to log in. Once you click on login, it'll bring you to this page with your email and then you just put in your password. Once you put in your password, click login and it'll bring you to the main Spotify page. Right here, you're going to want to click on the settings icon in the top right corner and then click View Account. Once you click View Account, it will bring you to an overview of your account. And here, you're going to want to scroll down until you see your premium subscription or just your normal subscription. Here, you have the option to click Change Plan right beneath your premium subscription. So click on that. Once you click on Change Plan, it will bring you to all the plans. Scroll down until you see Spotify Free. Once you find it, click on Cancel Premium. If you click on Cancel Premium, it will bring you to this page right here. And once you get there, you're just going to want to scroll past all of this and click Continue to Cancel. So if you click Continue to Cancel, it'll just bring you to another page right here that says, do you really want to cancel it? And then you click Yes, Cancel. Once you click Yes, Cancel, it will cancel your premium. So I hope this video was helpful. If it was, I'd really appreciate a like and subscribe. Leave any questions you have in the comment section below. I'll do my best to answer them. And I'll see you guys next time.